Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Con. We are doing a Walmart couponing haul. I'm filming this right now because the front of my video got deleted. Sorry guys. Walmart, let's go. Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Con. Okay guys, and today I'm doing a Target walkthrough, toy haul, and some couponing. Okay, so let's go in and let's see what they have. A couple of things I want to check out with coupon, but they have a nice toy deal. Buy $50 worth of toys, you get $10 back. Buy $100 worth of toys, and you get $25 back. So I am going to actually check that deal out, but I'm also going to check out some freebies that could be some nice gift additions. So let's go and check those out and be ready to shop. So we got a CoverGirl eye coupon. Here it is for $4.99, and the coupon I believe is for $3 off. So this is $1.99. That's a great stocking stuffer for anyone who wear makeup. So remember, you could use that as a stocking stuffer. Okay, Shea Moisture is $3.99, and if you buy 2 of these and use the $5 off coupon, you end up paying $2 for 2 because they went up to $3.99. They used to be $3.49 or something, but you end up paying $2 for 2, which is actually a great deal. So I'm going to go ahead and grab those right there. And that'll be our first one. Remember, I am doing shopping for stocking stuffers, but I want to do free or almost free. So make sure you guys watch my Walmart video from in the morning, because I dropped a lot of freebies where you could get so many free deals out of there and make great stocking stuffers. So make sure you do that, guys. This is the difference between Walmart and Target. I just bought, if you look at my Walmart video, you're going to see Freebies and Cheapies. Nothing. This was super cheap. I can't believe they selling that for $4. So this is about the going price for the Axe spray, deodorant, and the sprays in Walmart and Target. But like I told you, if you watch my couponing video, you'll find the cheaper other places great deals also. Now in Walmart, I saw a Axe body spray, but it was like a little bitty flat handheld. I was looking to see if they had it in Target, and so I was going to grab it because it was buy one get one free, and I do not see it. So let's see how much the Axe body wash is. Okay, and the body wash in Walmart and Target is the same exact price, which is $4.99. But here's one for $3.99. Now that's even cheaper in the other store. So you could buy one of these and you get one for free. So that's $3.99. You could fill up a nice little cart with that. So I'm gonna grab one of these, okay? And this is the coupon we're gonna use. So this Axe is $3.99 in this store, and you could buy one and you get one for free. So we are building a gift packet, right? So here you go. Go and watch the Walmart video from Monday morning, and you will see me buying free things and getting lots of freebies in that video. You should watch. And hey guys, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Subscribe. They gave us a swab coupon for $2 off 2, and then jacked it up for $2. Some of them is $1.99, but I mean, at your own risk, get that. Now, last time this coupon for Axe was working in Walmart, and it might work in here, but I have not tried it. I'm going to wait and see, because my cousin usually is the trier also in Tennessee. So I will see what she say, if it worked. We usually go back and forth and let people know that it worked. Also, guys, go to my Instagram, Ivy's Coupon Cap, because on my Instagram, I drop jewels that I do not have time to put on my YouTube channel, okay? So, and then starting next year, January, I will drop all of CVS jewels there. I will not be doing any more CVS videos for YouTube. Guys, $5.49. Oh my goodness, this is a good deal. This is a great deal right here. 2 body washes for $5.49. I think I'm gonna grab this because I have someone who requested this from me. Like, Olay for $5.49. That's a great deal right there. Okay, I don't care what nobody say, it's a good deal. Okay, because Walgreens has them what? 2 for $12. Not worth it. Bad 3 native deodorant body wash. I even get a native holiday bag. They regular $7.99. Okay. I don't even know what that is. Okay, now Swab. As you can see, Swab is $2.39. I would never pay for Swab. Go and look at my Walmart video. I'm telling you that, guys, because I drop the jewels in different videos. Go watch. Okay, guys, so let's move right on along to the toys. What else we came in here for? So far we got 2 Axe body wash and 1 Olay gift set for $5.99, which is fantastic. If you want to, you can open the Olay up, put a scrubber with it, and probably a deodorant, a ladies deodorant, and there's a gift set right there, all for $2.50. There you go. Let's go over here and let's get the toys, because the toys, we are still donating at our church for the children's toys. So I've been getting mine from Walgreens, buy 2, get 2, and but I thought this was a good deal because I do love the gift cards that we are able to get. So let's go. Let's see what they got. I want to see these giant dinosaurs that they supposed to have. Supposed to have an alligator and a dinosaur. Okay, here's the deal. Spend $50 and get $10, and then spend $100 and get $25. So, and then you add this offer in the Target app and the Circle app. Tax will save $10 or $25 to that. You should get those off of that. Great deal. It is so quiet in Target today. I'm like, this is unusual for me to see something this quiet. Oh, these are it right here for $19. They little. I thought they were bigger, but they are small. My son wants the alligator one, so we'll have to look for that one. He was under the impression that they was huge, and so was I. So that might. Oh, look at this Marlboro Live though. That looked like a good one. Also, it's $24. I like that. So that might be one that'll be a good one to get. And here's another Marlboro Live right here. That one is $14. They look much better than them other ones. Look cheesy. You can buy 2 of these and get your $10 back, and then use a $10 gift card, and then only pay $15 for them, $35 out of pocket, huh? Okay, so here's another one. Endomus Rex. I like him, and Rex is, I don't know how much he is. Where is he at? Oh, $30. Because here's another one, and then, oh, look at him. Okay, so here he is. He's huge. $54. So here, that's him right there. $54. And then, what is this? Is this the shark? I think that's the alligator arm. What is that? Oh, the Mosarius. Oh, I guess it is an alligator. Some little animal in there. So, I don't know, guys. You all will be with me either way go to see what it is that I picked up, because I like to take people shopping with me, and I like for you all to go shopping with me. And if you all like shopping videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because you will see one every day at 3 o'clock. So the Lego sets are $39, and it's to buy $50, get a $10 card. I don't allow these in my house. They put them in events, and I stepped in too many of them, so they don't get them. I think I did the Crazy Art lip gloss, the gems, and the rock painting right there, and they are $11.99. Well, those are $12.99, and this one is $7.99. So that makes it a good deal. You can rack up on this stuff over here. Oh, we got a crazy long cutie sticks. What's that? Okay, $26.99 for these dolls. This is one of the top toys. Top toys is these rainbow dolls. So you got a green set, an orange one, a red one. They don't have any yellow. But another top toy is the Rainbow High Skylar Bradshaw, the doll with the outfit. Okay, so they must have pulled that. That's gone. They have top toys. They got the rainbow jellies, create your own squishy characters. That's what I like about Target. They have top toys that they advertise. I think the next top toy was this LOL hair goes. Oh my god, it's a 4-pack. And what is it, wigs? I think they wigs. What is that? Okay, y'all figure it out. But for $79, not that tiny. But, you know, I told y'all my granddaughter be like, no. She don't want that. So, that's one of the top toys. I just showed you 3. This is one of the top toys. The Cool Maker Go Glam, the nail supply. I'm not surprised that the nail is a top toy because everybody is doing their own nails now. That's my second career, guys. I'm learning how to do nails. And see the Ryan's World $4.99. A lot of this little guy got famous off just playing with toys, and now he has his own toys out. But those are $4.99. That's a nice price. Here he has a whole set of toys out actually. Okay, y'all gotta start coming through, y'all other YouTubers. Let's go. I'm looking for some more top toys to show you. Okay, the 5th top toy is the Barbie Princess Adventure, $54. That is one of your top toys. The Imagination Magnets. This is another top toy. It's $23 right there. That's number 6. Number 7 is the Villainous Marvel top toy. Number 8 is the Osmo Genius Starter Kit for an iPad. New version, top toy. Number 10, Lego Harry Potter, $99. But I think that's the wrong box, but that's one of the top toys. Okay, another top toy that's gone is the Lego Friends Alpaca Mountain Jungle, $59. It's not up here anymore because I was looking for it to show you guys. Okay, the number 12, All Generations Doll and Pet Poodle. Top toy. So I just showed you 12 top toys that you all can do. Make sure you come check them out because you see the shelves are cleaning out. My God. Wow. This was like the best sale, I think. Oh, here's, okay. Number 13 and the last one. Mega Construction Halo Infinite Energy Sword Construction. My fingernails are not dirty, guys. Sword Construction. Number 13, top toys. And here is one more top toy, and then I'm going to let you all go. The next top toy is the FAO Source Piano Dance Mat, $39.99, and there it is. Okay. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. And like I said, I already know that all of these coupons work. So, guys, hey, learn how to build gifts for free. Hey guys, we are back from Walmart. As a disclaimer, I had accidentally deleted the beginning of my video. So sorry, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, guys, to this channel. But we are looking at, we had 2 beeps. So let me tell you what not to try. That coupon did not work. So I did text my cousin and tell her don't use that, it didn't work. This beat, but the girl put it through because she saw that it said $9.99, $9.89, and then this was a penny short. She put it through, so you know, hey, if you got a good cashier that read the coupon and see that it's 1 penny, then she'll put it through. But if not, then you won't get it. Okay. Everything else worked out fantastic. Free. All of these was free. These 2 were free, no beeps. These were 48 cents, and this was buy 1, get 1 free. This was $1.98. So yes, we are good to go on that. Okay, so it's good, except like I said, a beep. This one did too, but she put it through because she saw that it was 1 penny. So guys, yes it is. So we ended up with 2, 4, 6, 7 freebies, which is fantastic. So if without this and that in here, what did we pay? This was 48 cents a piece, so that's $1. This was $1.98. So what? $3. $3 all together for this entire little haul right here. So we did great. Thanks guys for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe. And again, I'm sorry about the front of the video. Bye.